I think.
Come on. Yes! If you want it to turn into a butter slime.
Hopping out, they recording like TiVo. Make a movie, then making a sequel.
All these diamonds is boosting my ego. Diamonds is dancing like Neo.
This loud is waking the neighbor. Mama proud, I got me some paper.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl King Airy with the Q, and I'm back with another video. You already know who I got to the right side of me, my little sis. And today she wants to teach me how to make slime. I have never made slime, so I'm about to let her teach me. So really, y'all gonna be listening to her, and we just gonna go ahead and jump into it.
This video is my type of video.
Okay.
That I like. Okay. So first you'll need, we're making clear slime. So what you're gonna need is some clear glue.
Clear glue.
Baking soda.
Baking soda.
Really, nigga?
Eye contact solution.
Alright. So I'm gonna be able to make my own nice size of glue with just this by myself. Okay.
And then a container and a bowl. We have napkins so it don't get everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna start by
So what I gotta do?
Pour it into
Take
the
that. The whole thing?
Yeah, if you want.
It's gonna be a lot.
It don't matter. I'm doing the whole thing.
The whole thing.
Look at how clear this is.
Oh, I thought something went wrong.
Not already. Okay, now.
Should I roll up my sleeves?
What?
Should I roll up my sleeves?
Oh, yes. I thought you said, should you roll it up your sleeve?
No.
I thought she was about to put it up your sleeve. Okay, then what do you do? Oh, right, baking soda. I got baking soda.
I got baking soda.
How you know how much you gotta put in there?
It don't matter. So the baking soda.
So it just don't matter.
So the baking soda is the thing that.
Augusta High School that led to Chris Wood's death. The fuck is that? Yeah. I'm dying in this fucking country ass fucked up town.
The baking soda is the thing that turns the slime white.
Okay.
And I just got it in my mouth somehow.
I brush my teeth with this.
Okay. Now I'm about to add some cookies. Just a little bit more.
I'm gonna let you do mine, cause come on, I need you to show me how much supposed to go in there.
It don't matter. It don't matter.
Okay, that's all the point of the baking soda is only to make it white?
No.
What else is the purpose of the baking soda?
To activate it. We're not done yet. Okay, so like once the baking soda and the this whatever it's called combines,
That's the contact solution. How many drops?
it makes it enough to make it turn into slime.
1, 2, 3,
And if it doesn't work, just keep
5, 6,
adding.
7, 8, 9, 10. I put 10.
Enough. So if it doesn't turn into slime just yet, then keep doing the same thing, adding baking soda and contacts.
Look at the flick of their wrist. 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 Look at the flick of.
You got tops to these containers, right?
Yeah.
More baking soda.
So, what consistency am I looking for? Like,
Look, once it starts sticking to the spoon, then you'll know.
sticking? So keep going? Alright.
My arm hurts. Alright. You're destroying your bowl.
No. It's sticking to the baking soda is on the spoon instead of in the.
Oh! Yes!
Yours working?
Oh, come on.
This look edible.
Ooh, we should make marshmallow slime. It's edible. I was bored one day, and then that's when I took some marshmallows, and then I microwaved it, and then I just kept adding powder, and then that's when I made a huge mess. And then that's when I just started playing with it, and somehow it turned into slime, and I ate it. All of it.
You always messing with her. Let y'all see what it's looking like.
Oh, wow. Okay. We're
I'm gonna show
getting
them up close.
Move out the way. That's the activator.
Well, mine.
Yes.
What the hell is the activator? I mean,
I
heck,
wish we had game.
game.
Mm-hmm.
I just bought her a whole thing.
My mom wouldn't let me go get it.
What the game do?
Activates it.
Everything activates it. Okay.
No, specific stuff. Not so staff flow, game, and tie is what I use.
Only thing I got is bleach.
Really, nigga?
Not gonna work.
Wish I had blue color, but I want mine's clear.
I hate it when people add making or blue color to clear slime. Perfectly clear slime. It bugs me.
So she told me, like right now it's white. So I guess in 2 weeks it'll turn back clear, like how the glue was. If you see it in the bottle. But take 2 weeks, so we're gonna have to come back, I guess. Damn, this thing hurt my back.
Wait, hold on. You know what? I'm done with this. I'm just about to mess with it.
Man, that's sticking. It's supposed to stick to your hand like that?
No.
Right. How you make it not stick?
I'm playing with mine so it doesn't stick.
And we out of contact solution.
Fail.
Man. No, it gotta work.
Cut it open. Make incisions. It's like
What makes it not stick?
We need more contact solution. Come
Really,
on, let's
nigga?
go walk to the store.
Girl, I ain't walking nothing.
I think this is turning into slime. Okay.
You want me to drop some?
Yes. Oh, it's coming off my hand, guys.
Oops.
That's good. Yay!
It's working?
Someone has saved the day.
Me.
You guys, if your slime just starts getting really like if you like to where the point where you try to touch it and it's really liquidy, then just keep adding eye contact solution. It really works. And then there's types of eye contact solution that I wouldn't use. I use clear eyes and it works. One time I did this and I used a small bottle and it worked. Small bottle. Oh, I thought you was avoiding it.
No, I said going in. First time making slime. This is my first
Fail.
time. I didn't fail, you failed. Mine is working. Kinda. It's kinda still sticking to me though.
Ooh, you got white rice?
Yeah.
Yes! I'm about to turn this into a crunchy slime.
You already doing something extra. Dang it, this is sticky.
You're just jealous because you don't have my idea.
What?
Yeah. Right.
Jealous?
You
not
don't
my
have
thing.
my ideas, so you're jealous.
I would never be jealous. Especially not of my sister.
What was that supposed to mean?
Why would you be jealous of your own blood?
Okay, whatever. But no, you're jealous of my ideas.
I don't want crunchy slime. What are you talking about? I'm perfectly fine with this right here.
I'm not.
Around me are familiar faces.
Look at that. Come out wherever you are.
What?
Talking to the slime.
Do you know
Not
what you said? Oh. You're throwing shade. I didn't do nothing to you.
What are you talking about? She's PMSing. Don't mind me. I'm just playing.
I don't even know what that means.
I know. Thumbs this video up. First time making slime, y'all. The rest is not coming out though. So what can I do?
Put it on the wall. What?
Put it on the wall.
Put it on the wall of the container, and then it'll stick to the slime.
Like that. I'm like a big kid right now. Anything else you want to tell me?
To not steal my idea.
I'm sure you stole this from somebody.
What?
Yeah.
No, I just like to watch slime. Okay, if that's the case, everybody stole it from everybody.
Exactly. It was a borrowed idea and everybody started doing it.
A borrowed idea
Yep.
that is stress relieving.
Yep. So, you going to Mississippi, right?
Mm-hmm.
What y'all gonna do?
Thanksgiving. Oh my gosh. And
Oh, you spending Thanksgiving down here.
and Miss
We're in
Gwen's,
Ohio, by the way.
Miss Gwen's mom, she can cook.
For
Like
real?
she literally did a Thanksgiving and it wasn't even Thanksgiving.
So, this is how you make slime. It was banging though. What you about to do now?
Make butter slime.
You put that on my table? It don't matter now. Oh, it come right out.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sweet, bro. I did good for my first time. Or did I make it too?
It's sticking. You might want more of that.
Oh, you about to ruin it.
Help! Help!
Whatever you do, don't get it on paper towel. Cause she's ruining hers.
Acting like a frog.
Now she about to make clay slime.
You stupid.
They're not. No. Butter slime. I've always wanted to go out of town.
So you about to meet all your other little sisters.
I got other little sisters.
Not little sisters, but
Oh,
other sisters.
Summer.
Yeah, your older sisters down there.
Mm-hmm.
Don't you got like, how many down there?
I had one, I think.
Only one? Oh. Dang, where
They're
you
all
going?
spread it out.
He's
They're away
crazy.
from America. I mean,
All over the United States.
away from. Wait, what is Mississippi? Is it a? What is
It's a
it?
state.
It is. I'm going to another state.
Yeah. You didn't know that? Where did you think you was going? To another city?
Yes.
You about to go to the south. With
Where
the
are we
southern
now?
folks. We're in the Midwest.
I think I'm messing this up completely.
When you
How did you get more slime than me?
cause I'm sweet like that. So this is
Prank ya. You don't have Follow
smell
me on-
funny or anything. Follow you on what?
Musically.
What's your music?
I mean TikTok.
TikTok.
I forgot. Yeah. It's the Queen Savage, all lowercase. And I spelled Savage wrong because somebody took it. So it's EGE at the end instead. Alright, so, oh wow. This light is bright. Okay, hold up. Oh my gosh, I got that ring effect on my eye. Look. Look, hold up. Oh, so pretty. Okay. So this is my rice slime. Okay, but
This is the finish.
do not add too much rice or your slime will not work and you'll have to add more glue. Ooh, can I show them the glue I got? Okay, so yesterday I bought one of these big, huge Elmer's glue, white glue. And I got it from Family Dollar for $7. And I got another one today and I made some rice slime with it yesterday. As much as I want to add the blue coloring in it, I'm not going to. So this is my blue slime and this is my slime that's turning clear.
So to make butter slime, after you follow the steps that we did, you gotta add clay.
Do not use favorite glue if you're gonna make butter slime. Use white glue. That's what I go for. And then that's when just add your moldable,
What?
shapeable clay.
Listen to her. This girl has like 100 freaking different slimes. Like she is a slime guru.
Just say I'm the slime queen of Ohio. Yeah.
She sells slime at freaking school. So like, who does it?
And I made $20, so my goal right now is to make 10, then make 20, then make 30, and then keep going.
Cause I'm a hustler, baby. I just want you to know. It ain't where I been. Where I'm about to go. You trying to get some more glue?
From where?
Out of there.
Here's the locations you can find glues at. Okay, so gallon of white glue, Walmart. Somebody told me that she got all her phone stuff from Joanne Fabrics. Okay, but gallon of white glue, Walmart in the creative section. Half gallon, Family Dollar, and then normal, you can just get it anywhere, I'm pretty sure. Family Dollar, Dollar General. I mean, it's just a small white glue. Apparently, like those type of stores have glue. Oh crap, you got stuck in my head. If you're gonna make butter slime, it's not gonna really plug that much, but it's stretchy and spreads. Let's see if this was a success.
So she want to show y'all the butter. The butter.
Really? Okay. I like this one. Okay, as much as I want this slime to turn clear, I might just add this into it. I hate it when people add bacon or food coloring to clear slime.
Alright, y'all. That's all we got for today. She just taught me how to make slime for my very first time. I was not trying to rhyme, but it did.
You rhymed again.
So while she over here making butter slime / rice crunchy, you know what I'm saying? I'ma wrap it up.
It's called the
What?
amazement.
What?
It's called the amazement. So look, maize is you gotta go find your ingredients, which is this stuff and the rice and the glue and the stuff. So it's amazement.
Boy, if you don't get...
I'll go play episode.
Anyway, I'm signing out. Thumbs up if you enjoyed that video. Drop a comment in the comment box of what you want to see next. Any challenges, any pranks. Or you could DM me on my Instagram at King Airy with the Q. And follow her on TikTok, man. Show my sister some love. Go ahead and talk to her, holler at her, watch her videos or whatever the heck y'all doing at TikTok. No. So we signing out and peace.
Wait, no.
What? I knew you had something to say. That's why I looked at you. What?
I don't know.
Exactly.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Slight flex, money up, I need my next check. Look at his diamonds, I think that they're fake, he need his neck check. Slight flex, I did that on shorty, now she mad. I'm up, I just did the dash and got the bag. Told her shorty move, ooh, now I'm rude. Did a slight flex, ooh, I'm in that mood.